it's all rainy and nasty outside, and I just helped my friend. I don't know if y'all can see.
Hey y'all.
With a communications project, so I got to be a communications major for a day. That was fun. And I hate this mist, rain, whatever this is, because it's not rain, but it's still wet outside. It's weird. I don't like it. I hate it. Mr. Ronnie, my name's Larry George, and I'm hosting my show.
Hey, Larry.
And I would just like to ask you, what is it that you do here?
Sure. Well, I'm the Director of Public Information for St. Tammany Parish Government. It's a county-type government in Louisiana. Typically, what we're in charge of is the public relations aspect of the parish and parish government, as well as the website, and we have a public access television, government access television. So we kind of coordinate all that, as well as social media and other things, to make sure that the people of St. Tammany and the people of this parish know what great work is being done for them. We want them to know how we're spending their tax dollars and making sure that they feel like they're getting value for their hard-earned tax dollars. So that's typically what we do on a regular basis. Tell the story of parish government, answer questions that come in from not just the media, but also sometimes the public. So it's a great opportunity to tell the citizens of this parish our story and what they're getting. So that's what I enjoy the heck out of it. It's a great job.
Okay, thank you.
You want me to do it again, or you got it?
Oh, I got it.
I think we are done.